Never learn maths. Understand maths. Don't do it in copy. Do it in your mind. Maths has to be done in the mind only. Think. If you will be thinking, you will be understanding. Keep on thinking. Keep on thinking. Our human brain is the strongest thing in this universe. You can do anything with this brain. If you will keep on thinking about certain things, you will be master in that one. Don't need to learn anything. Now I am trying to make you understand what are these numbers: natural number, whole number, even number, odd number, prime number and composite number. You understand only. Don't learn. Don't learn. Never learn. Though you will be finding it awkward, but this is the way you have to think. If you have to think out of box, then you will be thinking in this way only. Never learn anything. Understand it. That will be much more simpler for you. That will make your life much more simpler. Natural number. What is natural number? Again, go into the mind of that person where from this all these things have been derived. Natural number. Our ancient people, Adam and Eve, go to that person. They did not know anything. They have just come into this planet. They were born. They have come into the planet, and population keeps on increasing. And after that, when they might have gone for hunting, then after hunting, when they have brought certain things, those killed animals, if they have brought, then there was a need of counting. Who has brought more? Who has brought more killed animals? So then that thought might have cropped up into the mind of those persons. So that's why this is called natural number. That thought cropped up naturally. That thought of counting has been cropped up naturally. That's why this name has been given natural number. So natural number, that thought of counting. So natural number is also called counting number. Natural number also called counting number. So when that person has gone, they must have killed someone. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, this idea has come into the picture. Till infinite. There is no counting. If you will be saying 1000, the 1001 you can say. If you will be saying billion, billion one. If you will be saying trillion, trillion one. If you will be saying quadrillion, it will be quadrillion one. You can add up anything. So there is no ending of that one. That's why I have given infinite sign. 8 को लिटा दो, 8 को लिटा दो ऐसे. That has become infinite. थक गया वो, very much tired. उसको सुला दो, तो infinite हो जाएगा. 8 is very interesting word. Number. So 1, 2, 3, 4 natural number, and these are also called counting numbers. So natural number is also called counting number. After that, we Indians are great. I told you, we Indians are great and will be the greatest species in this universe because we have given everything, though we have forgotten. After giving everything to this mankind, we have forgotten that what we have given. We have given the most unique thing, 0. And with the help of this 0, all the things have been made up. Decimal system has been made up with the help of this 0. So if you will be adding this 0, then this has become whole number. If you will be adding 0 with the natural number, then this natural number will become whole number. So what is the smallest natural number? 1. What is the smallest whole number? 0. What is the highest natural number or whole number? Nobody knows. Infinite. The natural number and whole number you have understood. What is even number and odd number? Any number has been given. Any number. 4, 3, 5, 2, 9, 0, 7, 6, 5. Any number as big as you can think of. Don't need to do anything. Don't get afraid. Go to the last digit. If last digit is divisible by 2, then it is even number. If last digit is not divisible by 2, then it is an odd number. How you will be doing it is even number and odd number in another way. If last digit 2, 4, 6, 8, 0 is there, then it is even number. If it is 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9, so it is odd number. Don't need to do anything. Don't need to mug up. Understand it. Last digit 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, even number. Last digit 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, odd number. What is this so big number? Whether it is even number or odd number, don't need to do anything. Go at the end. What is this? 5. It is matching with this 5. So this is what? Odd number. Now come to prime number and composite number. What is this prime number and composite number? Prime number. If a number is divisible by 1 and itself, if a number is divisible by 1 and itself, that number is called prime number. Let's take an example of 11. Divide it. First you need to divide with 1. 1 11 ja 11. Now you will be dividing with the same number. What is itself? Itself means the same number. What is itself of yourself? You yourself. What is itself of 11? 11 itself. 11 1 ja 11. What is itself of 4? 4. What is itself of 9? 9. Itself means वो खुद अपना. If a number is divisible by 1 and itself and not any other number, remember it, not any other number, then this number is prime number. Look, this number is prime number. 11 is not divisible by any other number, only 1 and itself. If a number is divisible by 1 itself and some other number, let's take an example of 4. It is divisible by 1. It is divisible by itself. 1 and itself, if it is divisible, then it is prime number. But if it is divisible by any other number apart from 1 and itself, so it is divisible by some other number also. So this 4 is what? It's a composite number. This 4 is nothing but composite number. So I hope you have understood what is natural number, what is whole number, what is even number, what is odd number, what is prime number, and what is composite number. Enjoy yourself. मजे से जिंदगी जियो. Thank you.